This is part 2 of the Biograph Infiniti script tutorial. This next window asks you to specify the duration of your first activity. So you need to say in seconds how long you want to record activity 1 for. The duration can be any length you want and is dependent on your particular experiment. So for example, if you want to record physiological measurements for 2 minutes, then you would specify 120 seconds. Next, you need to select an instrument screen. This screen displays the physiological measurements in real time. I would suggest you use the physiological profile with line graphs. Selecting this screen will show readings for skin conductance, skin temperature, heart rate, and respiration rate. Even if you do not record all 4 of these measurements, at least you have the option. You can leave all the other settings on default and click Next. We now need to make the same specifications for Activity 2 as we did for Activity 1. So we can name Activity 2 after Task and tick the pop-up box. The step description should again have the same name as its corresponding activity description. We also need to check that we have the same statistics selected for Activity 2 as we do for Activity 1. The statistics should already be highlighted since we previously selected them for Activity 1. Once this is checked, we can click OK. The duration of Activity 2 does not necessarily have to be the same as Activity 1, but they usually are the same. So we will enter 120 seconds again. Next, we will select the same instrument screen as before and click Next. Lastly, you'll need to save your script. Now let's check that our script has been saved. We do this in the main script editor window. If we scroll down, we will see that our script test has been saved. We are now ready to record physiological measurements.